This is fourth lecture for class 10. Carbon and its compound was started already. You were given properties of carbon details. Hydrocarbon. I told you that there are mainly three series of hydrocarbon: alkane and alkene are already given. Uh, 8 members of every series are given. In alkane, all bond are single, which is also called sigma bond, and in alkene, at least one double bond must be there. And now I'm going to start alkyne. So in alkyne, at least one triple bond must be there. Ine means triple bond. So the first member of alkyne is ethyne. So if triple bond are there, already three bonds take place. So only one vacancy is there. Here also one vacancy. So the short form of ethyne is C2H2. So this is ethyne. First member is ethyne. Start from 2 carbon because triple bond, to form triple bond, at least 2 carbon must be there. So if number of carbon is 3, one triple bond must be there. So here one vacancy is there. Remember, carbon can form only 4 covalent bond. So already 3 bond is taken place, 1, 2, 3. So 1 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond should be there. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4. No place of hydrogen is here. So hydrogen will be not here. Here 3 hydrogen will be there, because only one bond is there with this carbon. So the short formula would be C3H4. So this is called propyne. If number of carbon is 4, so one triple bond must be there. Here one vacancy, here 2 vacancy, here no vacancy, already 4 bond is formed. Here 3 vacancy. So the compound is C4H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called butane. So the 3 member is sufficient because you are in class only 10. Only for alkane you need some more up to 8 is sufficient, but for alkyne 4 up to 4 is sufficient. So regarding alkyne, you have to remember some important point. Number 1 is general formula. CnH2n plus 2 was for alkane. If 2 is removed, then the formula is for alkene, and for alkyne we have to subtract 2. This is general formula of alkyne. Already we got first formula C2H2. So if carbon is 2, if number of carbon is 2, then put 2 here. 2 into 2, 4 minus 2, the hydrogen also 2. If carbon is 3, then 2 3 is 6 minus 2, the hydrogen will be 4. Second member was 3, 4. So using this formula you can find any compound regarding alkyne series. So another example, in higher, if carbon is 8, so the hydrogen would be 8 to the 16. 16 minus 2, 8 to the 16 minus 2, the hydrogen would be 14. So this would be octane. So this is the first point regarding alkyne. The second point is it always shows addition reaction. Addition, because triple bond is there, we can break 2 bond. So 4 vacancy can be vacant for addition of hydrogen or addition of other element. So it shows addition reaction but does not show substitution reaction. And the third point is unsaturated hydrocarbon. unsaturated hydrocarbon, because more hydrogen can be added. So these are the important points regarding alkyne. And already you are given the concept regarding saturated and unsaturated in board exam. This question is generally asked. In saturated, more hydrogen cannot be added, means sufficient hydrogen is there. But unsaturated means more hydrogen can be added. For example, alkene and alkyne are unsaturated hydrocarbon, and alkene is only saturated hydrocarbon. Now we have to know about functional group. Functional group. Already I told that due to catenation property, carbon can form large number of compound, large number of series. So properties of each series is depend on functional group. So functional group is a group where properties of any series depend on functional group. So for example, from alkane I am taking an example, methane. And I told you the main component of CNG gas is methane. The main component of CNG gas is methane. So methane is a gas. ये बर्न होने वाला गैस है, हम लोग इसको खा नहीं सकते. But now after removing one hydrogen, if which is added, so it become alcohol. And alcohol are liquid. Properties are completely changed. So this is gas, this is liquid. So the properties of this series is depend on this OH. OH is the functional group of alcohol, and properties of alcohol is depend on OH. Similarly, I am writing here the functional group series. Here I am writing functional group, FG short from functional group. Alcohol, functional group of alcohol is OH. Aldehyde, CHO. The structure is given here. So carbon from 4 bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is vacant. Ketone, CO, 2 vacancies there. Carboxylic acid, COOH, ether, O, ester is also called fats, COO. So many series are there up to class 10. These are the sufficient: alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ether, ester. So again I repeat, functional group means the group where properties of respective series depend on that group. Similar to allotrope already given you, we have another term in organic chemistry that is called isomer. Isomer means same composition, same formula, but different structure. And I told you that properties of any matter, any compound depend on structure. Allotrope means same composition but different structure. Isomer means same formula but different structure. So formula same होने से भी properties different होगा because structure is different. For example, we have butane C4H10. So this can be written as CS3, CS2, CS2, CS3, normal butane, and it can be written as this. Here both having same formula. See, both having same formula, but structure is different. Here one branching is there, one branching is there. So in organic chemistry you will get जितना consistent होगा उतना unstable होता है. So इसका boiling point कम होगा. You will get less boiling point here. It will be less stable. It will be more stable. So properties are different, but formula is same because structure is different. So the IUPAC name, you will get IUPAC name in class 11 details. The IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl propane, 2-methyl. Counting is done from nearest. So 1, 2. So it is 2-methyl. Position is 2. The 2-methyl propane. So properties of 2-methyl propane is completely different from normal butane, but formula is same. So isomer means same formula but different structure, properties will also different. So you will get different types of isomer structure: position isomer, functional group isomer, meta isomer, geometrical isomer, optical isomer in class 11 and 12. Next, we have to know some chemical reaction of carbon compound. Chemical reactions. Number 1, substitution reaction. For example, methane react with chlorine gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Means removing one hydrogen, adding one chlorine. So other chlorine and hydrogen form HCl byproduct. So this is called chloromethane. And reaction is substitution because in place of hydrogen we add one chlorine. So another reaction, number 2 reaction. For example, we have ethine plus chlorine or HCl. So it gives the double bond, one of the double bond is broken and we add in one carbon hydrogen, other carbon chlorine is added. So it gives chloroethane. So this reaction is called addition reaction. Element is added. Number 3. This is actually ethanol. Another thing, the general name of alcohol is alkanol. If carbon is 2, it will be ethanol. If carbon is 3, it will be propanol. And the general name of aldehyde is alkanel. So regarding aldehyde, if 2 carbon is there, it will be ethanol, propanol, butanol. And the general name of ketone is alkanon. If 3 carbon is there, then propanon. And general name of carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. If 2 carbon is there, ethanoic acid. 3 carbon propanoic acid, 4 carbon butanoic acid. So here alcohol series, OH means alcohol. So 2 carbon is there, so it is ethanol. Ethanol name is written here, ethanol. If ethanol react with sodium metal, this reaction is important, then it gives CH3, CH2, ONA, and it is called sodium ethoxide. And we got hydrogen gas also. So with the help of this reaction we can test a given liquid is alcohol or not. So if it is alcohol, after putting sodium metal we get generally hydrogen gas. So we can test the liquid is alcohol or not using this reaction. And number 4, same input is ethanol, the reactant is ethanol. Put some sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. You know got in lab what is concentrated, what is dilute, you got in lab already. So concentrated sulfuric acid, and concentrated sulfuric acid means sulfuric acid here act as a catalyst. And remember, in organic, catalyst generally attack functional group. So which will be removed from here? From here one hydrogen will be removed. Here one hydrogen will be removed. From here functional group will be removed. So we get the compound CH2 double bond CH2, and byproduct is water. Hydrogen plus which it gives water. So this is called ethene. And temperature is very high, 443 Kelvin. 443 Kelvin. And same reaction, same reactant, if temperature is little bit controlled, 413 Kelvin. If temperature is 413 Kelvin, the product will be ether. You will get in class 12. So up to class 10, this reaction is important. And number 5, same reactant, ethanol plus ethanoic acid means alcohol plus acid, carboxylic acid, organic acid. Carboxylic acid is the organic acid. It gives one of the important compound CH3, COO, CH2, CH3, and this is called ester. We can also say fats. And this reaction is called esterification reaction. Esterification reaction, very very important for board examination. When alcohol react with carboxylic acid, it gives ester, fats, and fats by ester have fruity smell. Fruity smell. And the reaction is called esterification reaction. Generally short note come. When short note comes, then you have to give the chemical reaction. So these are the 5 important chemical reaction up to class 10. So in this lecture already I covered functional group, alkyne, what is alkyne, what is saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, and you are given some important chemical reaction. Mainly regarding carbonates compound, main topic has been completed, and in next lecture I will start soap and detergent, and later on if I get time, then I will start the chapter acid and base. Thank you.